Go Korean.
What time is it, Zach?
Like
Okay, I'm recording now. Go.
It's like 8:10.
Ready?
Yeah. Any more
Mike, I can
moving?
That's not even funny.
You want me to do it better?
This is retarded.
Zach, I can do it better.
Where? Oh, you want me to jump right on the tree?
Duh!
Try jumping through it.
Ow.
That's hair's got
Stop
into
pulling your springs.
Like, why are there stupid springs here?
You got a big hole in your ass. I can't do a thing about it.
I can bounce
I don't really care about mine. Fudge?
What word was that I heard? Oh, something stabbed me in the foot.
Sorry.
My bad.
Hey, Zach, I'll jump over that fence.
Hey Nick, jump over Brian's fence. Try jumping over it.
Oh, let me, come on, let me.
From here?
Yeah.
No, that's Wait, I'll move the trampoline.
Over the fence.
I'll use my super Korean strength.
Brian's like, hey, how's that guy?
I can do it. Trust me, I'm Korean. I know what I'm talking about. You know what? That's not even gonna be funny. You're not even far away.
I'm in need.
Hey guys, come on.
Move it, woman.
Teamwork is the key.
You know,
Like Team KFC.
I could jump over without the friggin' trampoline, and you're like getting.
K. S.
Dude, he's not even recording. Oh, he is.
Hey, Zach, if Nick screws this one up, can I go? Zach.
Justin, God
Find the
damn.
camera.
I'm not even gonna show this to anyone anymore.
Why?
Because he got in the picture. It ruins everything.
If Nick screws this up, I go
His
next.
head's like frickin' Sputnik. Look at him. He's gotta go home and cry on his big fat pillow.
Let me go, Zach, can I go?
I get over again.
Zach, let me do it.
Why, Pit?
Can I do it?
I'm not gonna record it. You can still do it. I'm not keeping you from doing it. Okay, move, Pat. He's gonna jump. Pat, get off.
Move your
God,
black
I can't work with these little
Off the
kids.
trampoline.
Go home and drink your milk. Did you hear that one?
Not saying you need to gain any more
Oh,
weight.
he's folded. Run, Nick, run. He just stops.
I know. You gotta keep
See,
going.
he runs really fast. He stops.
You have to
Halfway
get a
there.
practice thing until you know you can.
Come on, Evil Knievel.
Come on, Grandma.
Mom young.
Evil, got evil.
Mom's impotent.
That was stupid. Hey, can I hit you with the baseball bat again? I did it to Brian.
Let's watch it.
Now we're gonna move. Hey, film this. We're gonna move the trampoline back a little.
What are you gonna
Hey,
do?
Doug, somebody help me.
What?
Oh.
Let's see, we got Doug in my coat. You know what you Wait, let me do it.
That was retarded. These aren't even funny.
These are stupid.
Tell me where to move him.
Right there.
This is Nick at 9 months.
Oh wait, move over this more. This way.
Move your hand back and forth. Here, where's the bat?
Right there.
Okay, am I
Hold it.
seeable?
You're good, right there.
Wait. Hey, don't swing up. You hit me in the face. I'm not. You guys think I'm like the worst baseball player?
You are.
Alright. That hurt. Put your arms back.
Nick the like.
Put your arms behind your back.
Nick the
Nick, put
obese.
your arms behind your back.
Nick obese mellow. Nick is a little weight mellow. Nick's really fat mellow.
Oh God.
Feel back into it.
Dude, hey, guys, move back this way.
Oh, I got it. Cool.
Is this good?
Yeah.
Get up, get up.
Me?
You look like dead.
No. That's, oh. What? That's awesome. Because that freaking hurts. Listen, man. Oh. Is that harder than Brian? Yeah, but mine was harder.
Oh, wow, wow.
Yeah,